Welcome to Alpha Insights. I'm Mike. Quick heads up. US markets are closed today. It's Saturday, July 18th. So the last trading day was Friday, July 17th, and we'll be back Monday. If you have questions as we go, you can ask us at stockalpha.ai. Today we're looking at a product move in the document management space. With me is Ben, our commodities and tech adjacent strategist. Ben, thanks for joining.
Thanks, Mike. Glad to be here.
So, the company in question, give listeners the quick version. What did this firm just do?
Right, so back on June 5th, Programmers Paradise LLC rolled out Studyhq on Android. It was previously on iPhone, which means their private scan-to-PDF and document organizer app is now on Google Play. The firm is a private limited liability company and didn't share downloads, revenue, or user numbers with the announcement.
Okay. Studyhq, for folks who haven't seen it, what exactly is this app doing? What's the core product?
It's a focused document management tool that emphasizes private scanning and organizing. Think of it as a secure scan-to-PDF workflow plus an organizer for notes and documents. The pitch is privacy and simple handling, rather than a broad, bloated office suite. That focus can help with retention if users care about security and ease of use.
I mean, when you look at the market, is that niche big enough to matter?
There's demand. Mobile scanning and document management categories are crowded, but privacy-focused tools can carve out a loyal base. Android availability expands the addressable audience significantly. Android has a large global install base, so just being on Google Play opens growth potential. It doesn't guarantee traction though.
Right.
The key is adoption metrics. Without download figures or monetization timelines, we're left watching leading indicators: Google Play download counts, user ratings, review volume, and any subsequent company disclosures about pricing, subscriptions, or partnerships.
So if I'm an analyst or someone tracking software trends, what should I be logging into daily? Downloads, ratings, anything else?
Yes, downloads and ratings first, then review sentiment, update cadence from the developer, and any in-app purchase or subscription options that appear. Also watch for integrations or partnerships with education platforms or enterprise vendors. Those can be a fast path to scale. Finally, keep an eye on press mentions and App Store feature placements, because those drive visibility.
Interesting.
And to add to that, since the company is private, you won't get public financials, so indirect signals matter. Partner announcements, distribution deals, or mentions by larger platforms could be the predictable triggers that indicate growing commercial traction.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Also, think about monetization pathways. A private scan and organize app typically monetizes through subscriptions, premium features, or enterprise licensing. If those options start appearing on Google Play metadata, that's a signal the developer is moving from user acquisition to revenue focus.
What about relevance to public market investors? I mean, this company isn't public, so how does this affect portfolios?
Limited direct exposure. Because it's private, there's no ticker to trade. But market watchers should note two things. First, successful niche apps can attract acquisition interest, which might impact valuations in the sector. Second, competitors or platform partners that are public could see knock-on effects. Analysts often watch these private product moves for signals about broader consumer demand. One practical angle: if you follow companies that provide document management backends, cloud storage providers, or mobile productivity suites, any uptick in adoption for Studyhq-style apps could feed into usage metrics for those public names. Again, indirect, but worth monitoring.
So nothing immediate and direct, but it's a pulse on user demand in that niche.
Exactly. The story is more about distribution expansion than instant business impact. Android presence increases the pool of potential users. Whether that translates into revenue depends on execution.
Quick reactions. Is there anything surprising here?
Honestly, I was a bit surprised they didn't include any metric at launch. Most app rollouts at least hint at user counts or a roadmap. That silence means we have to be patient and watch App Store signals. One more practical note. If you want to watch this play out, set up App Store trackers or follow third-party analytics that monitor download velocity and rank changes. Those are often the fastest public clues for private app traction.
Great. Before we wrap up, remind listeners, any investment guidance here?
Analysts and data suggest this is a positive distribution step for Studyhq, but it's informational only. This is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold anything. The company's private status limits direct portfolio exposure, so treat observations as sector signals rather than investment advice.
Perfect. Okay, Ben, let's close with the fast takeaways for listeners.
Sure. First, Android availability meaningfully widens Studyhq's addressable user base, but availability alone doesn't equal monetization. Second, watch Google Play downloads, ratings, review sentiment, and any changes in app metadata for clues to traction. Third, because the company is private, look for indirect signals, partnerships, or integrations that might affect public companies in the same ecosystem.
Thanks, Ben. Those are 3 clean takeaways. And remember, everyone, if you have questions about anything we discussed today, you can ask us directly at stockalpha.ai. We answer listener questions live. For more market insights and written notes, head over to stockalpha.ai. Thanks for listening to Alpha Insights. I'm Mike, and we'll see you next time.